this is a pole barn that Bobby Joe's been building, and I'm just helping him put some parts together. And this morning, I should have recorded it. We did this side of the floor, and we're about to finish this up so then we can put a wall support in to support our trusses. And that'd be about all we're gonna do today, right?
Yeah.
Get that floor and the supports in.
No, the floor.
Just the floor?
Yeah.
Okay, just the floor.
Mhm.
And we'll do the supports tomorrow. But this is what I'm working on, just so you know. Okay, we're done for the day. We got all this flooring done on one side. Everything's tacked down. I'll have to come back with a nail gun and nail it all. But we got other things we got to do today, so working on it. Okay, end of day one of working on the wall in between the two halves. We got about 16 feet done, and need to do this. I got to decide where I want to access. I think I want a door like right in here, so I'm gonna have to do the blocking for that. But if I don't do a door right there, I may just leave this entire section open and end the wall right here after this truss, and then just have this part open, so when you come in the doorway you can go either direction. And I believe I will just end it right there. That way I don't have to cut the 2x4s out, make headers and all that other stuff eventually down the road for a doorway. I can just have it this first 8 feet open. And I reckon this weekend, if it's not oppressively cold, I will start laying some more of this OSB tongue and groove. Got a lot of stuff to move around, but I'm trying to get this thing dried in pretty quick. It's supposed to rain Sunday. I'd really like to get the house wrap the rest of the way up here and around this corner so we can preserve the flooring that we put down so far. And I may work on that Saturday. We'll see. Okay, I got all of the Advantech type OSB taken off of the trailer and loaded inside. I don't know if you can see back there, I got it stacked up. I ran out of staples again, so I can't finish this till I go get some more, which I have down the road in my shop. The Shabin is all the way down the end of that road, so I'm going to drive down there now that this is basically empty. Drop this trailer and come back up here and do some more work. I may finish up this wall. I'm going to bring it all the way to this truss right here and end the wall there. So I want to finish it out just to support that truss and cover this a little better, you know, the wood a little better, a little less come steel me. I'm going to put some plastic up in the top up there in the eave, and we'll definitely put some up here because most of our storms come this direction. I'm just trying to seal it up because we did have a little bit of rain last night, and although the OSB didn't get very wet, this right here got wet. So I would like to preserve the several $100s worth of materials, and I got to put a couple more 2x12s across here, one here and one here, and so I'll probably get that done today and then staple up the tarps and finish the house wrap, and that'll probably be it for today. I was really hoping to start laying floor, but I had so much to move out of the way, and with storms coming later this week, I really wanted to seal up the house wrap on this thing. So, you know, we'll see what happens. Okay, I don't have it all stapled down. I just wanted it covered for rain, but that's the building. Got as much of it covered up as I can just to make it waterproof. Certainly not, you know, certainly not theft proof, but we'll get there. All right, say boo-bye.
Super Dad, signing off.
Yeah.